San Diego Superior Court judge who ruled on many of our county's biggest cases is hanging up his robe.
Judge Frederick Link announced he'll be retiring in the coming weeks. CBS 8's Shannon Handy visited his courtroom today where he talked about his career and his future plans.
Judge Link is well known in these hallways. He's served as a judge for more than 40 years, ruling on some of the county's most high-profile cases. Along the way, he never shied away from being outspoken.
You don't treat old people that way.
Your Honor, the court doesn't get to the preponderance of evidence.
Excuse me. You've spoken. I have not spoken. Don't break in.
My philosophy is to be honest with the parties out here and with the public.
It's that philosophy which has made Judge Frederick Link a well-known figure in the San Diego County courthouse system, where he's worked for more than 40 years.
It will be 41 years in June.
During that time, Judge Link has ruled on over 250 murder cases, 3 of which wound up on death row, including one of his most memorable ones involving Ramon Rogers, who was sentenced to death for killing 3 people in the early 90s.
What was in his evil mind?
Ramon Rogers killed his wife and chopped her up, killed his girlfriend, who was pregnant, chopped her up, limed his best friend, all right? Now, what kind of person does something like that?
Other notable cases of his: Richard Tuitt, the man who was convicted then acquitted in the death of 12-year-old Stephanie Crow. More recently, Judge Link ruled in the Jesse Gomez case. He too was sentenced to death for killing San Diego police officer J.D. de Guzman and injuring his partner, Wade Irwin.
I'm going to remember the victims, because that's what really breaks your heart. When a husband's killed and the wife comes in, or a child is killed and the parents come in.
Judge Link acknowledges the role he plays and the impact his decisions have.
I know it affects a lot of people.
Take the 2002 Petco ballpark case, for example, which centered around a lawsuit that challenged its construction.
I'm either going to allow a ballpark to be built, or it's going to be the biggest swimming pool San Diego's ever had.
As for why he's retiring, Judge Link says he feels like he's done enough.
I made the decision. I'm happy with it.
Do you have any regrets?
No. None.
Looking back on his career, Judge Link credits his father, who immigrated from Germany, for instilling much of what got him to this place.
He hammered into me, you know, the importance of education, the importance of getting a job, the importance of doing the right thing, and it's because of him.
His family, he says, has played a crucial part too, including his wife of 52 years and his 3 kids, one of whom is a San Diego County judge.
So the Link, you know, is going to be here for a while, at least another 20 years.
Any other final thoughts?
No. I'm not going anyplace. I'll still be around.
Even though Judge Link is retiring, he will still serve as a private mediation judge. He also plans to get involved with a nonprofit.
Great look back at Judge Link's career. Thanks, Shannon Handy. Outside the cases he has overseen, Judge Link says he's most proud of a program that he started called Justice 101. It teaches students about the judicial system and the consequences of their actions. It shows you how much impact he has had through the 40 years plus.
He carried a lot of energy to the bench. He very much enjoyed his position, but in a good way. He enjoyed the entire process, being in the court and being a part of the law, and you can tell he took the responsibility and takes it very seriously.
Absolutely.
It was very interesting to be in the courtroom when he was on the bench. I'll say that. I learned a lot.
We wish you a wonderful retirement.
Yeah, well earned. Elon Musk